Hello everyone, this is Kat. This is the middle of the day, so kind of an odd time for me. Anyway, I was just wanting to share all the different things that I've been doing with plaster molds. I've gotten a few bowls, sort of like these, at the Dollar Tree, Dollar General, wherever I got them at. Anyway, and I put some plaster in them and made several different mold styles. So I made this. I thought it was kind of cute. It had the round bottom and the more squared top. Then I had the big round one. And I have another one that's kind of an odd shape. And so I just wanted to share all the different things you could do with just like one style of mold. With the odd shaped one, I made this bowl, put a little foot on it. I don't know why I say the word little all the time, but I do. I put the foot on it, and these are all bone dry. They're going to be hopefully biscuit today if I can keep the rain away long enough. Then for this one, I've made multiple different styles of bowls. I made this with the 4 feet on it. Put a little flower. Once again, the word little, don't know why. I made another bowl with the foot on it. I made a small trinket dish because I just used a smaller slab. Made a cookie cutter, used the cookie cutter and just went over the bottom of it. Totally different look. Then I was making another slab and one of my cats, Carmel, walked across it. And so I have a slab with her footprint on it. I thought that was cute, so I just made a square dish out of it on that same mold. Then on this one, I've made different kinds. I made this abstract cutaway bowl. Put the foot ring on it. I thought it was kind of a unique style. Because of the way it dried, it turned it more into like a football shape. Then I made this other bowl. See the foot? It's not quite as big as this slab as the football shaped bowl was. Then I made my flower bowl. I'm scared to touch it because I don't want the flowers to pop off before anyway, I slip and scored, but I made this bowl out of it. It's kind of hard to see, but anyway, made that bowl. I can decorate any way I want. I kind of like the rims being a little altered on them versus just the smooth rim. Now if I was eating out of it, I'd want it to be a smooth rim, but that can be like a salad bowl or a candy bowl. And then I made this cool slab and just laid it across the top of it like that. Made a squarish foot on it, and I did some texture on it with some of my Garrity hand building tools. Anyway, today I'm going to, well, in a few minutes, hello Carmel, she had to come join. In a few minutes I'm going to actually start a bisque load. And I'm off tonight, work tomorrow. So making some use of time, and the one, hopefully 7 or 8 hour, say hey Carmel, the 7 or 8 hours that I've got to, with no rain. So hopefully we can get that, oh my goodness gracious. Anyway, so hopefully I can get the bisque load in the kiln it's been a long time since I've been able to run it. And so I'm kind of excited. If anything survives, I'll be really happy. We've had so much moisture, so much just monsoon season outside. And we're definitely out of a drought at this point. Anyway, this was just a short little video. My next one will probably be a wheel throwing video, and also, gosh, hopefully a glaze opening as well. Once I get this. I have an odd schedule, on, one off, one on, one off, one on, one off, one. So that's tough when you're at night. But anyway, I want to thank you for watching this little rambling video. I just wanted to share, though, how many different things you can make, how many different styles. You're not stuck with just doing the same thing over and over and over again with a plaster mold. And so probably on the next one as well, I'll probably show how I made the plaster molds. And I'm sure there's, well, as Herbie almost knocked you off, there's many different ways to do things, and mine is not the best because I'm a beginner. I'm just pretty much showing my journey on this, and hopefully as I get better I can do more teaching and things like that. Anyway, I'm going to get these in the kiln before Carmel ruins everything and Herbie ruins everything. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Bye.